Hi guys, this is Adi from Nolkar Outdoor. I just want to show you a quick video here how to replace this Honda Clarity, uh, the FOB battery. So the battery doesn't work anymore on this FOB. So I'm going to replace it. What you need is the battery here. The battery type is 2032. This is the one that we're going to use. And also you maybe need the screwdriver, small screwdriver. The first thing is here on the back of the key you see the switch here. This one is to lock and unlock the manual key. So go ahead and press this one and then pull this. So this is the key that you can use it. This is for the manual key. So inside here you can see there's a gap, right? So we need to open this. You can use the key or you can use the big plier. The key itself is working fine. Just slide it. You can see here, I'm not sure if this one is, can zoom it to this. Here there's a gap, so you just slide this and then you wiggle it a little bit. That's it. So this open here now. So you open this one, wiggle it more, open it more wider. There you go. So this is open. You can see here there's a battery inside here. This one and the battery. This is the battery. So the way to take it is this battery. You can use this. Just open this clip a little bit, or you can use your finger and then take this one little bit here, just one, and the other one too. You can use from here. Yes, be careful, you don't want to break these clips. This is these small clips. Sometimes the finger also working good. So you can take this off. You can make sure that you have the same models, the battery models. You can see here 2032. So I'm using the right models. Put this aside, the black one, the bad one, and this is the new battery. Open the new battery here. Head open. This is new battery. The new battery, you just need to slide it. So this go inside here, slide it. So that's it. So this done for the new battery. And you can, the same way you take this off, you just need to clip it. So this will go here. I will put the down first here. Make sure the down is on the right position, and then you press it. And then you can put this key back again. Just press it, it click, done. So this one now has a new battery. And again, thank you for watching, and please subscribe if you have not already, and thanks for your support. See you on the next video. Bye now.